How to view history of apps that have turned Wi-Fi on or off recently on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and tap on connections. Then tap on Wi-Fi. After that, tap on the more button. And from the pop-up menu, tap on advanced settings. In here, go down and tap on Wi-Fi on off history. And in here, you will be able to view apps that have turned Wi-Fi on or off recently. Now at the moment, there are no apps that have requested to turn my Wi-Fi on or off. So hence, in the list here, it is empty. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.